This space is vast, mysterious, and full of secrets. For centuries, we have gazed up at the stars, asking ourselves curiously what lies beyond our reach. We have uncovered planets, galaxies, and even the fabric of space and time itself. However, some of the universe's most intriguing secrets are still hidden in the plain sight, right in our own galactic backyard. Imagine something so powerful that it can bend light, warp time, and swallow everything that comes too close. And yet it is invisible. These are the black holes, cosmic enigmas that have fascinated scientists and storytellers alike for generations. But what if I told you that one of these mysterious objects was recently discovered closer to Earth than most of us ever imagined? This is the Universe Factory, and this video is all about the discovery of a black hole near the Earth in our Milky Way galaxy. Before we begin, quickly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified with our latest updates. Find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned down in the description. Be sure to check out. Our story begins in our own galaxy, Milky Way. Now, the black holes are some of the most mysterious and fascinating objects out there. Everyone knows that the black holes are so dense that not even light can escape their gravitational pull. Finding them isn't easy, especially when they are quiet and not actively eating greedily the material from their surroundings. And that is where Gaia BH3 comes in. Meet Gaia BH3, a black hole so elusive that it took some of the most advanced technology and brilliant minds in astronomy to find out. This discovery isn't just another blip in the cosmic radar, it is a revelation that could change how we understand our universe. But how did we find it, and what does its existence tell us about the dark side of our galaxy? This is the Gaia spacecraft launched by the European Space Agency in 2013. It was designed to map the positions and velocities of the stars in our galaxy with unprecedented precision. It is like giving the Milky Way a higher definition makeover. But what the mission has also done is help us discover hidden objects like Gaia BH3, a black hole lurking in the shadows. Gaia didn't spot this black hole directly. Instead, it noticed something strange, a star behaving oddly. This star was moving in a way that suggested it was being influenced by an unseen companion. Through the meticulous observations and analysis, astronomers realized that the star was orbiting an invisible object, a black hole about staggering 32.70 times the mass of the Sun. It is the heaviest known stellar black hole in the Milky Way. Gaia BH3 is what we call a stellar massive black hole. But here is the twist. It's in a relatively close binary system with the Sun-like star. What is fascinating about Gaia BH3 is that it's one of the closest known black holes to Earth, located just around 1900 light-years away, making it the second nearest stellar mass black hole to Earth only after Gaia BH1. That might sound far, but in cosmic terms, it's right in our neighborhood. Gaia BH3 was found to be the part of disrupted star cluster of flow mass, and this star cluster is today a halo stellar stream called ED2. This stellar stream is very old, with an age comparable to the globular cluster Messier 92. Now what does that mean? This means that Gaia BH3 likely formed more than 13 billion years ago, and the black hole might have formed via direct collapse of a massive star. Alternatively, the black hole could have formed via binary interaction inside the star cluster. The ED2 star cluster has a mass between 2000 and 42,000 solar masses. This discovery of the black hole was a breakthrough in several ways. For one, it shows us that there may be many more black holes like Gaia BH3 out there, quiet, undetectable by traditional means, but influencing their surroundings in subtle ways. It's also a reminder of how much we still don't know about our galaxy's dark side. Gaia BH3 is just the beginning. With the data from Gaia and other missions, astronomers are now on the hunt for more hidden black holes. Each one helps us piece together the cosmic puzzle of how these enigmatic objects form, evolve, and shape the universe around them. So, what does this discovery of Gaia BH3 mean for the future of astrophysics? It opens up a new frontier in our understanding of the black holes and stellar evolution. And as the technology advances, who knows what other cosmic mysteries we will uncover next. Thanks for joining on this journey into the depths of the space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cosmic discoveries. Meanwhile, watch these suggested videos from the channel. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Until the next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering what's out there in the vastness of space. See you soon.